Let's see how to turn off flashlight while receiving messages on Samsung. The first method. Now go to Settings. Then Accessibility. Now click on Advanced Settings. Then Flash Notification. You need to turn off the camera flash notification. If the first method doesn't work, you can try the second method. Second method. Go to Settings search bar. Now you need to type flash notification. Keep album baby trail stick through there bread